Didn't that just phone time now?
You know, I heard that ground turkey is the healthiest poultry.
You know what? Never mind. Just be on your phones.
Welcome to your Walmart.
Fellas, I want to talk about women and money. Do you ever notice, like, around payday, your check becomes our check? Your lady says stuff like, when do we get paid? And did we already put our check in the bank? And I'm thinking, there's a lot of weed going on here. When did you start speaking French? So think about it. When your lady starts speaking French, start speaking Spanish, adios.
What would you call me?
I can't see right now. Hold on.
What are your thoughts?
Hi, I keep my home fresh with Febreze Fade Flex Plus. And I use this. Febreze has a microchip to digitally control how much scent is released so it doesn't fade. It's mine have a microchip. Well, Febreze smells first stay fresh for 50 days. That's a shockingly long time. Febreze also has a
Always
refill
open it here. What's on someone else's mind? I'm doing something.
That's awesome.
Always so fresh.
Not a lot of stylists ask for feedback.
Nothing dims my light like a migraine. With Nurtec ODT and Found Relief, the only migraine medication that helps treat and prevent all in one. To those with migraine, I see you.
Review acute treatment of migraine with Aura and preventive treatment of episodic migraine in adults. Don't take allergic to Nurtec ODT. Allergic reactions can occur even days after using. Most common side effects are nausea, indigestion, and stomach.
It's
My mama calls hers the Elvis.
Yeah, Elvis.
She said, so when I be braiding her hair sometimes, she be like, I need you to braid up my Elvis.
I'm hollering. That's so funny. I know I have a lot of flyaways because I have my hair in a ponytail a lot more than I should.
This is magnetism. Your body is a magnet. And when you produce a lot of kinetic energy, it just stands up a little bit. It's normal. Just making it do what we want it to do temporarily.
Right.
Rebump that front part, that swoop bang little turtle.
I can't see nothing without my glasses. Yeah.
Turn off. When you set for too long, that's why you turn it off.
That thing said, I'm tired. I'm taking a break.
Now, what if Flat Irons actually can talk? That would be funny
Right?
for a children's or a multicultural film called Beauty Shop and all the appliances talk.
Right.
I definitely would do voiceovers for that.
That would be so funny.
The chair has the beauty chair.
Right.
I'm gonna write that.
When it come out, I would be like, we came up with that idea together.
So you tickets. Like, shit, you might be in it with me.
Right.
Doing some of the voices. Gotta give you an idea. You supposed to see what I mean.
That's it.
I had an idea when I was in college for an invention. And the invention had something to do with guarding the ears and the forehead so it doesn't get any burns when using Marcel's. And that same year, a few months later, an old lady patent.
Dang. That's crazy. Oh, I'm sorry. That's crazy. You had the idea and then all of a sudden, here comes somebody.
God gives multiple people similar ideas.
Yeah.
I even shook that.
Nobody can do what you can do like you can do it.
Shook this one. I'm a bit of a
Perfectionist.
yeah. All right, Johnny, all right, you done. Come on, I see this one part right here. Like, you gonna
I do it too, so I get it.
just want the person happy when they got the chair. I'm putting myself in. I get you.
A little bit. Okay. It happens.
I'm talking.
No matter what race she is, we all black when the lights go out. Mama always told me you can't use your comb, don't break the law. So why didn't you get me out the shower?
Don't start. Just get over it.
Gina, why didn't you get me out the shower?
Why do you even care, Martin?
Because of the man thing, baby. I think you really wouldn't understand. I want all the brother owning my girl, Mike. That's it. I mean, if you need money, Gina, that's not the point, okay? The point is, baby, if you needed $25, you should come into the bathroom and ask me. I probably would have told you I have it.
Use extra control. You use extra control.
Yep. I have to. My age just be unruly.
I'll be like, we ain't really wrong.
They be defiant and rebellious.
Like, girl, sit down. I don't understand that.
That part. And not be like rebellion is as of witchcraft. Sit down.
Hit it with that word.
In Jesus' name.
How does this power work exactly?
Don't mock me, Gina. Don't mock me. Okay, we gonna work this out. Everybody listen. All right. Gina borrowed $25 to the coach, but she didn't pay it back. Right?
You are a perfectionist.
My mama used to be on me, boy. You see this? How could you get that for me? Right here, yeah. Right
Ain't
there,
nothing
yeah,
like
okay.
mamas to tell
Ooh,
you.
yeah, that's so much better. See?
Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Man, good seed. Take a picture real quick.
Oh man, I gotta be photogenic.
Alright, so I'm out of here.
See you tomorrow, man.
Alright.
Be encouraged, my brother. Keep fishing. Every day. Keep that rod ready.
I think you better do what they just did. I need time to think.
Are you serious? Fine. Are we still on for dinner tomorrow night?
I don't know. I gotta check my finances.
Don't worry, Mark. I'm paying.
That's the angle right there. That's it right there.
Well, let's stay out of my refrigerator. What are y'all doing here? Oh, shit. Nah, but I thought I think y'all. That was yesterday. Yeah. Well, what?
Glamour shots.
I know, right?
Supermodel.
I mean, I never intended for Gina to be my love slave.
Silk press. Stylist
It's cool. I
John.
ain't got no beef with you, you know what I'm saying? It's just Gina making more money than me, man. Tricky.
$1 million silk press. The anointed silk press.
Based on me being in charge, man.
Touch and agree silk press.
You know what I'm saying? You're the man. Exactly. Exactly. No, man. If you got out to Gina was making more money than me, man. Yo, I lose my whole
Alrighty. Have a sanctified day.
You too.
where I get another job and call me.
Teachers be like, this is a sanctified her day.
What a sanctified.
As long as my brother's in town.
Are you gonna, might be a little hot out there.
Yeah. I just take it with me just in case I get cold sometimes.
I understand, shoot. When you cold, you cold.
Right. You can't bring me today.